What's going on, fellow members of 10th grade sophomore class at LCS? Yeah, and you're probably wondering, why are you on the roof? I don't even know. You know, I just kind of like migrated up here, you know. Gotta go full send for the how-to video. Today, for my how-to video, you guys are in luck, because you guys are going to be learning how to juggle. Before I start the lesson, there is one thing you need that is very, 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 very important. You need this before we start juggling. Alright, now we're ready. Actually, there's one more thing. Alright, now we're ready. So when you're trying to learn how to juggle, you want to get something that has decent weight to it. Nothing really light, because then it's a lot harder to grab it when it falls to your hands. So I got some bean bags right here. They work perfectly because they have some weight and they're pretty easy to throw. First step to learn how to juggle, you just want to have one in your hand, you want to throw it up. Just throw it up like this. Do that 10 million times until you're very comfortable throwing one bean bag in the air and then catching it again. So then what you want to do is you want to take two bean bags and then throw one up in the air, catch it. Throw the other one up in the air, catch it. Do that another 10 million times, and then what you want to do is in the same hand, you want to throw it, and then when it's right up here in the air, you want to throw the other one, and then as this one's coming down, the other one's coming up. So just like this, you want to go, yeah. Man, it's hot up here. Once you have mastered juggling with one hand, you want to incorporate your other hand. So if you're right-handed, you want to start with two bean bags in your right hand, but if you're Abby, you want to start in your left hand. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your hand with the two bean bags, you're going to want to throw one up, catch it in your other hand. Then you're going to take the other one, and on the inside of your hand, throw that one up, catch it. And then throw the inside one up, catch it. Then throw that one up and catch it. And keep doing that, trying to get it faster every time. So after you have done that for another 10 million times, you're gonna want to start getting more air with the bean bags. So what I mean by that is when you have the two bean bags in your right hand or left, when you throw one in the air, as this one is starting to hit your other hand, the one that's in your other hand, you're going to throw that up in the air. So just like this. And that's the next thing you want to practice. So you're going to want to throw it up just like that. Again, take your hand with the two bean bags in it, throw one up, and with the other hand that has the one bean bag, throw it before it gets to the other hand. Just like this. Do that another 10 million times. And that, my friends, is the final step for learning how to juggle. Your next step is to juggle. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your hand with the two bean bags and throw one in the air. Throw this one before you catch it, and while this one is in the air that second time, the one in your hand right here, you're going to want to throw that one before this one hits your hand. So it's all a pattern. Once you get the rhythm going, that's when you know you got it. Putting that all together, everything I just taught you, starting with two in your hand, throw it up, and just keep going. Boom, 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 boom. Ugh. It's very, very hot up here. That about wraps up for my how-to video. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know you had no choice. And goodbye.